Want to look offline on Snapchat without actually logging out? Here's a super quick, step-by-step guide. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. From the camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. Now on your profile page, tap the small gear icon in the top right to open Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you see the section called Privacy Controls. We'll change just a few options here so you appear offline to friends and strangers. Step 1. Tap See My Location. Turn on Ghost Mode so no one can see you on the Snap Map. Step 2. Go back, then tap Contact Me. Set this to friends so strangers can't ping you. Step 3. Tap See Me in Quick Add and uncheck it so you stop appearing as a suggested friend. If you want to go further, set View My Story to friends or custom to limit who sees your snaps. Finally, turn off activity indicators so people can't see when you were last active or typing. That's it. With these settings, you'll look offline on Snapchat while still using the app on your own terms.